morning. I am Raju Kumar Mandal and we will discuss about the Java. Why we prefer to communicate with computer by the Java language. We know that Java is a language for communicate with computer. We need Java language. Let's take an example. This is a computer and this is a man. If man want to talk with computer, then we need a language which is understandable by the computer. So we will take a Java language. We will write the code in the Java form and computer does not understand the Java code. So we need a mediator which works like translates. So computer understands source code. If I want to go Java code to source code, then we need a mediator which works to translate the Java code to source code. So we need a compiler. When we write a code in Java, then we need to compile the code. If we compile the code, Java code changes up to source code, which is understandable by the computer. And when the computer reads the code, then computer sends the message to me in the form of source code. So we will also need to understand computer language. So we need compiler. And this is a mediator. Now we will understand the compiler and compiler work. Let's assume this is a compiler. Let's take an example. This is Ram. And this is Sam. And here is a person which belongs to abroad. And this person name is let's take Gogu. Gogu only know the English language. And Ram only knows Hindi language. If let's take a condition. If Ram want to talk with Gogu, then what should Ram to do? First we need a person who knows English and Hindi as well. So Ram takes help of Sam. Now Ram will talk Ram is saying, my name, मेरा नाम Ram है. Then Syam tell to Gogu in the English language. Syam will say to Gogu, his name is Ram. And when Gogu understands the message of Ram, then Gogu introduces himself that I am Gogu Kumar. Then Syam will translate in Hindi and tell to Ram. I hope this is the best example to compiler. When we write a code, let's take an example of code. Let's assume this is a binary code. And I will send this message to the computer. So we need to compile this program, and compiler will compile this code and change to machine code, which is understandable by the computer. When computer reads this message, computer sends a output in the source code. And compiler will take computer message and change into in that language which is understandable by the human. So thank you very much. Have a good day.